Okay, well that took a little bit of work. We got the door actually off the frame. Got it in here. We tilted it up and took the bottom off. Now we gotta hook it all up, level it, make sure everything's good, and then somewhere during all that, we gotta put the feet back on it, or not the feet, the door back on the door frame. So I got a hose back here. I'm gonna show you this. I got a hose that was on the back here. Okay. All I did was pull this loose, and I'm gonna put it in this hole. That's basically all you need to do with that. Okay. Then you got two hookups in the back here. You got a hot and you got a cold. Okay. The hot, you take the little thing off of it. They just put that on there to let you know. Follow it along. I got my hot hose here. Okay. And I just screw it in. And take the cold, and I screw it in the cold side. Alright, now I get my handy dandy pliers. And I got a wire. I got a wire that has to be unbolted. They got it bolted down here. So, gotta get some more tools. I got the plug. I gotta put the door back up.